Hey, what's up? Yesterday we published a video with unboxing of Huawei P30 Lite. As we already said, this is a budget version of Huawei P30 and P30 Pro. It has the same design, but another hardware. I'm really interested in triple camera of Huawei P30 Lite, but we will make another video with camera test of this phone. Today we are going to talk about performance, benchmarks and games. Before we start, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers. Huawei P30 Lite is powered by Kirin 710. Many people say that this chipset provides similar performance to Snapdragon 660, but I think it is a little worse. Yes, you may not notice the difference in real life and gaming, but Snapdragon 660 has better results in benchmarks than Kirin 710. To prove this, I will compare the benchmark results on Huawei P30 Lite and Redmi Note 7. I already showed you a tutorial result of Huawei P30 Lite in unboxing video. As you remember, the phone scores 117,000 points. To be honest, it is not a very high result for $300 phone. Redmi Note 7 has 145,000 points. The next benchmark is Geekbench 4. Here you can see the comparison of Huawei P30 Lite and Redmi Note 7. Once again, Xiaomi device on Snapdragon 660 looks better. 3D Mark shows 975 overall score on Huawei P30 Lite and 1354 points on Redmi Note 7. As you can see, Redmi Note 7 is almost 2 times cheaper than Huawei P30 Lite, but it is better in benchmarks. Also, I have tested Wi-Fi speed, memory speed and GPS. Huawei device doesn't have any problems. As I already said, most likely you will not notice difference in performance in real life. Huawei P30 Lite runs games very well. It has the same maximum graphics and FPS in PUBG Mobile as Redmi Note 7. It is really comfortable to play on this phone. Asphalt 9 is also good. I didn't notice any issues. What do you think? Write in comments below. From other side, Shadowgun Legends is a little slowed down. You can see that FPS drops when you are shooting. However, this is not a big problem. I even think that you will not notice this if you do not pay attention. The most important problem is that Huawei P30 Lite heats up. I played around 40 minutes and the phone is really warm. Most likely you will need to take a break after an hour of gaming. So it was performance test of Huawei P30 Lite. To be honest, I think that this phone has bad performance for the price $300. You can find much cheaper phones with better performance, for example, Redmi Note 7. I want to note that Xiaomi device costs about $170. Anyway, Huawei P30 Lite is still good for gaming. You can play any games on low and medium graphics. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers.